Portal, plant the
Be
portal.
Tengu, okay? I don't think
I'm touching point, I'm touching point, I'm touching point.
Just keep going. They hit
Over
a
portal.
checkpoint.
Yeah, I know you need
Yeah,
heals.
within
What the
portal,
fuck do you want me to do?
Just
Like,
portal,
I mean, I
portal,
just
to be
spawned.
honest.
I don't like this game. These teammates are stressing me out.
I need help, I need help. Help me, help me, help me.
I don't know what you want me to do. Lucy clocks out, Yellen, I'll clock back in. No, you're fine, Deli. Chat's behaving for now.
Luna far right. What the fuck?
Fall back is you two, far ahead of the rest of your team. I see, I see. Peel is like,
One's
come
very
back and
top.
help. Okay, got it. I don't know, I don't tank, so.
They copied really early.
Any heals?
Guys, I am literally trying my best. I am very stressed
Can't get
out.
those. There's just too many buildings. I'm at Emma, can we kill Emma? I'm
wasting
bodyblocking
the
Emma,
Charlotte
bodyblocking
time.
Emma. I'm bodyblocking Emma, can we kill Emma?
They still have one support ult probably.
Don't, fuck you.
I'm ready to put on a show.
Okay, well, I'm scared. I am
They're
scared.
just gonna. Oh, they can still kill me.
Well, guys,
I'll hop on Luna after you guys portal. Yeah.
back with the mom stare at the ready. Bro, this team is. Can you stare at my team? Cause what the fuck?
Try it. You guys get it. You guys search.
No, no,
Yes,
frozen,
yes,
no,
yes.
frozen. There you go.
God.
Go, go. No, no.
I can touch. Go, touch.
They hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them.
I was not there to help you. I'm sorry.
Just keep backing, keep backing, keep backing.
Oh. Don't tell me we go into OT with this fucking team, please. Please, I'm fucking begging.
Torch top left, torch top left.
Can't see you, hello.
Torch one, monkeys. Shoot him.
Luna dead.
Look at Emma, look at Emma. Everybody on Emma, everybody on Emma.
I'm on, I'm on,
Portal,
I'm
help,
on,
help,
I'm
help,
on.
help, 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 help.
Loki low, huge.
Holy fucking shit.
Torch still lit. Oh,
He's dead, he's
shit,
dead, he's
never
dead.
Ah, not Scarlet flopping over. Am I needed? No, Deli's just taking a break. So, you're on mod duty. But chat's chill right now.
I am ready to put on a show.
Back up, I almost come out. Keep me up.
There's a lot of
Oh,
ult.
I'm so dead.
Let me ult, let me ult.
It's fine, yeah. Yeah, forward.
Oh,
you
why
just
be you
ult
doing
dead?
ult? Yeah, but that's why I said let them use
Oh
ults.
my god. Well, I got stuck on the fucking
We have a
wall.
close
I'm
goal. We have a close goal
scared.
for final fight.
I do.
Can we come back? Can we come
Fine
back?
for
We can't
final
die
fight.
here.
Final fight.
Can't die here, can't die here.
We gotta get our Luna here.
My time to shine. Don't give them another inch. Or else. Down to 30 seconds. Us against the world.
Focus.
Can we match?
Focus,
Can we
Yeah,
match?
yeah, 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 yeah.
I'm gonna try to ult this this Loki.
Huge. They're down a healer. They're down a healer.
We have to
I
kill
no-
Loki. Oh.
No, look. They're down cloak. Down cloak. Kill Loki, and then I counter ult this right after.
10 points, 10 points.
I'm gonna die. Oh my god. Oh my god, Hi Onyx, how are
There's no
you?
point there, I think we're going.
Games are fucking stressful. This team is stressing me the fuck out right
Bro.
now. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god.
Good shit.
Good job.
Nice, guys.
GG, Joel.
3, 2,
Oh my god.
2.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. My heart is beating so fast. Spooky, thank you for the hydrate. Oh my god. You're so annoying. Can I avoid that? Oh my god, thank god. Oh my god. 40k healing, by the way. That was solo heals! I was fucking petrified!